I love how versatile apples are and that they're available year-round at Pick n Pay. Today I'm going to be making a warm apple and honey cake. To start, we're going to cream our butter and sugar, add our egg, and then just mix until incorporated. We're going to fold in our dry ingredients, our milk slowly at the same time. And when your batter's ready, put it into your greased dish, add our apples, and then we're going to bake this for 45 minutes until cooked through and golden. While my cake's baking, I'm going to move on to my syrup. We're going to melt our butter with our honey, and we're just going to let this simmer for 5 minutes. Our cake has been in the oven for 45 minutes. It's golden and looks delicious. So we're going to pour over our syrup. And there you have it, our warm apple and honey cake ready to serve.